As you start incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you might notice a subtle shift in how your body feels, like a gentle unwinding of tension, a softening of the digestive system, and a quieting of inflammation. It's as if your body is slowly releasing all the pent-up stress and discomfort, allowing you to wake up feeling more refreshed and centered. People who have tried the gelatin trick often report a sense of clarity and lightness that's hard to achieve with expensive supplements and fancy diets. My friend, who's been experimenting with the gelatin trick for a while now, swears by its simplicity and effectiveness. She used to spend a small fortune on supplements and detox programs, but since switching to the gelatin trick, she's noticed a significant improvement in her overall well-being. Researchers say that the gelatin trick works by supporting the body's natural healing processes, rather than trying to force a quick fix. By doing the gelatin trick regularly, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive, without breaking the bank on fancy products. To learn more about how to get started with the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description box, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment below for some helpful tips and resources to get you on your way. Now, go ahead and give the gelatin trick a try, and see how it can transform your health and wellness journey.